Spray patching, cost-effective pothole repair. Step 1. Cleaning the damaged area of loose material. Step 2. Apply a tack coat of asphalt emulsion to help the new patching material adhere to the existing pavement. Step 3. A rock emulsion mix is sprayed into the damaged area. Step 4. A cover rock is applied to allow immediate traffic and to prevent the oil from bleeding. Our operators have the most expertise in the industry, with an average of 18 years experience. All trucks are washed off nightly. You deserve a clean and professional operation working on your project. Our machines are designed and manufactured by the same people that will be working on your job. Everything is designed with efficiency in mind to provide the best value to the customer. A report by the Minnesota Department of Transportation found that spray patching costs were less than 1/3 of the cost of traditional throw and roll methods, in addition to providing a longer repair life.